Hi, here we are with 5-minute marketing tips. My last 5-minute marketing tip was how to schedule to both Facebook and Instagram at the same time using Creator Studio. And love them to bits. Facebook have now decided to get rid of Creator Studio and push everybody into Business Suite. So I'm now going to show you how to make that work for you. Let me just share my screen with you, and then we will get going. So here we are in Facebook. We're coming to, well, Business Suite is right here, but even if you scooch down to Publishing Tools, it still sends you to Business Suite, which is fine. It's obviously quite new for Facebook, so it is, as ever, a little bit glitchy. I've seen quite a few posts from people saying that they've tried to do a load of scheduling and it's not worked. I can believe that. Very frustrating, but this is the way of the things with the Facebook. So we click on Create Post. Facebook and Instagram, please. Type in your text. Now I rewrite mine in Word, so I can just double check my spelling. So I can copy and paste. I've added a bit.ly link to this one, which, as you can see, that's shown up. Add an image. I have prepared one in Canva. So here's our Blue Peter moment. Here's one we prepared earlier. This particular post is promoting my Keep in Touch email service. At this point, you can switch over to Instagram and change your post slightly. If you need to book a discovery call, obviously links don't come through in Instagram, so book a discovery call using the link in the bio and add some hashtags. Marketing. In touch. I know lots of people put millions of hashtags on. I'm not a big millions of hashtags fan, and I know that they're just starting to come in a lot more as live hashtags in Facebook. So I'm sure I'll start flinging those around soon as well. So schedule a post. Let's do it for tomorrow because that's my marketing tip day at let's see, maybe people can read it on the bus to work. Save it. Press schedule again because this time it actually does it, and then you can go and check in here, and there they are. One to Facebook, one to Instagram, and that is basically how you do it. If you want to do a second one, you can click on Create Post again. First thing it'll ask you to do is if you want to schedule a post. So schedule ahead. Save. It then looks like it's not saved it. It's not helpful, I know, but it really has. If I write something in here, and this time I haven't got one I've prepared earlier, so so we're going to publish on Instagram. We need a photo. Dragon Marketing. A bit confused here. I swear to God, I've got one somewhere that it's just generic. Have a look if it's gone into. Okay. Schedule. There we go. Facebook only. There we go. And you can just keep going. So it's not overly complicated, but yes, it's glitchy at the moment and people are complaining about it. So thank you very much for listening.